Can I do a practice round? Does that sound silly?
Can't control my hands though. Can't control it.
What makes the work challenging in Cryptio? Honestly, trying to understand how crypto actually works.
From the outside, the story of digital assets can look like a story of volatile prices, regulatory headlines, and furthering adoption. But underneath, there's a more profound technological and data problems institutions have to solve.
A lot of digital finance operations today are fragmented, manual, and really difficult to navigate. There's a real gap between the sophistication of the market and the sophistication of the systems underlying it.
You're dealing with on-chain data, internal systems, reporting requirements and controls, and all of this has to work together. That's what makes the problem technically interesting and genuinely important.
We're building the financial system of records for digital assets, the data and ERP platform that institutions need to operate on blockchain rails with confidence.
The problems are genuinely complex, the ones that we're solving, and there often isn't a playbook. That means people here are expected to think carefully, take responsibility, and help shape how we solve things.
This gives people a lot of ownership. You're not just executing against a fixed brief, you're helping to define an answer in an environment where the work really matters.
It's great. If I look at the people that work here at Cryptio, it's a group of people that are extremely talented, very ambitious, and show up every day with curiosity. One of the standards is like each and every one wants to raise the bar, not just for themselves, but also for Cryptio.
There's a lot of trust, a lot of thoughtfulness, and a real willingness to help each other out as we solve complex, unique, and difficult problems, whether that's together in person or remote across the world.
So there's a lot of ambition here. We've got a group of extremely smart people, high talent density, but we're not robots. There's time for fun.
You can see the impact of the work very quickly, and it changes the way customers operate on a day-to-day. This makes the work feel so tangible.
The platform becomes part of how customers really run important financial processes. It's really not something abstract, they genuinely rely on it.
What I find motivating is how directly you connect the work back to the customer outcomes. You can see that it matters, and you can see why getting it right is important.
There's very few companies where you can actually define the operational infrastructure of a new financial system. The upside, if we get it right, is immense, both for the company and the people who can help build it. That's what makes this such a special time to join.